Bryant Public School posted this on Facebook Tuesday morning. Reading in part, 3 students at Bryant Middle School have been diagnosed with whooping cough. This is a highly contagious disease involving the respiratory tract caused by bacteria. The post continues, school nurses have been contacting parents of students who may have been exposed to the disease. If you have not heard from the school nurse, your child has not been identified as a student within exposure range of the ill student. I'm Haley Brooks for Digital News Now.